In this video, we are going to look at what atoms are made of and the mass of atom. What is an atom? They are tiny particles that are so small not possible to see with naked eye, and not only possible barely to make out with the most powerful microscope. An atom consists of nucleus and a cloud of electrons. Much like how the sun has planets, the nucleus has orbiting. The particles that made up the atom: protons, electrons, and neutrons. Here is an atom. It consists of neutrons, protons, and electrons that move around the nucleus. They are called subatomic particles. We will talk about electrons. Electrons move around the nucleus. It has negative charge. Its mass almost nothing. Electrons circle very fast around the nucleus at different energy levels from it. These energy levels are called shell. The nucleus is itself a cluster of proton and neutron particles together in the center. This is the heavy part of the atom. What about proton? Present in the nucleus, it has positive electrical charge. Its atomic mass unit equal 1. What is the meaning of proton number? It is the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom. What about neutron? Present in the nucleus, it has no electrical charge and this atomic mass unit equal 1. What about electrons? Here the nucleus, and it contains neutron and proton. Protons and neutrons form the nucleus, so are called nucleon. What is the meaning of nucleon number, mass number? The total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Why do atoms have no overall charge? This is atom and this is the nucleus. It has a positive charge because of the presence of proton, and neutron has no charge, and these electrons move around the nucleus. It has a negative charge. The number of the proton positive charge present in the nucleus is equal to the number of the electrons that move around the nucleus, and it has a negative charge. Because they have equal numbers of proton and electrons, so the charge cancel. It means that the number of protons, positive charge, in the nucleus equal to the number of electrons that move around the nucleus. You can describe any element in a short way like this. Here, atomic symbol, abbreviation used to represent atom in a chemical formula. And here the mass number, number of protons and neutrons in atom. And here the atomic number, numbers of protons in atom. We write the mass number at the upper part, and we write the atomic number here. This is the periodic table. It has many elements with atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. 1 is the atomic number of hydrogen, 2 is the atomic number of helium, and lithium atomic number is 3, and beryllium atomic number is 4. There are some examples. Here we write the atomic number, and here we write the symbol, and here we write the name, and here we write the mass number. Some examples like carbon atom. Carbon atom, it has 6 atomic number and 12 mass number, and this is the chemical symbol. In carbon atom, this atomic number means the number of protons that has a positive charge equals 6, and mass number, it means the number of protons and neutrons equal 12. It is the mass number or nucleon number. If we need to calculate the number of neutron, we take the mass number and subtract the mass number from atomic number. It will equal 12 minus 6 equals 6. We will give us the number of neutron. Here carbon atom has 6 proton and 6 electrons move around the nucleus and 6 neutron. This is 6 proton, positive charge, and 6 electron around the nucleus, move around the nucleus with negative charge, and 6 neutron has no charge. Another example, helium atom. This is the helium symbol, and this is the atomic number, and this is the mass number. Number of protons that has a positive charge is equal to number of mass number, number of proton and neutron equal 4. If we need to calculate the neutron number, we subtract the mass number from the atomic number. It will give us the number of neutron. 4 minus 2 equal 2. Here 2 proton and 2 neutron and electrons that move around the nucleus equal 2. These are some notes. protons, neutrons, and electrons. The charge of proton, positive. The charge of neutron has no charge. Electrons has negative charge. The location of proton and neutron in the nucleus, but electrons in orbitals. The mass, we calculate it with atomic mass unit. Proton and neutrons are equal 1 unit, but electrons 0. All the particles in an atom are very light, so their mass is measured in atomic mass unit rather than grams. Majority of mass of an atom is contained in its nucleus, but in terms of size, the nucleus is much smaller than the atom.